All right. Welcome back to Design Patterns for Game Developers. Again, my name is Charles Hachet, and today we're going to be talking about patterns for creation. Creational patterns are design patterns used for effective and purposeful creation of instances. These patterns are designed to be abstract and utilitarian. They should be abstracted in the sense that their implementation should be preferred as interface instead of inheritance. They should be utilitarian in that they lack any byproduct or properties not necessary for the implementation of the interface. There are exceptions to this, and your use case will vary. When in doubt, refer to your senior programmer, your studio's best practices, or encapsulation when tasks or data structures are not directly related to the class or are abstracted or delegated to other specialized classes or structures. In this unit, we're going to be looking at singletons, abstract factories, builders, factory methods, and the prototype. Each has a purpose and its own unique characteristics. In many instances, it might be prudent to use two or more of these types of design patterns, and their use isn't necessarily redundant or repetitive.